Some people climb mountains or make hats. I play with sticks and stones. Why? I was recently asked. Go for a walk, and the monkey mind rides on your shoulder, jabbering away the whole time. But pick up a stone and balance it on a stick, and the brain flutters away. Silence. Slide a bead onto a weed, press a berry into a tree trunk, slather a branch with blackberry juice, poke a stone into a crevice, hang a flower from the wrong tree, align stones on a branch, surround a puddle with petals, paint stripes on a limb. Meditation, to focus one's mind for a period of time in silence, as a method of relaxation. Tie, weave, arrange, dangle, stack, bind, connect. Why? To behold nature in a different way, to create something and let it go, to express unattached, to give freely, to bring a smile on my face and to the face of others, to invite others to join me. Nature is our playground. It is our art store. Every stone as media, every stick as decor, every smile as reward. Some people climb mountains.